know that drinking water makes all the difference for your oral health? See in today's video how this habit can protect your mouth. A bright smile makes everyone feel prettier. It increases self-esteem and also the sensation of cleanliness, isn't it right? Our body is made of more than 50% water, varying according to our age, so it is essential to drink at least half a gallon of water daily. After all, we eliminate a lot of water during the day through urine, sweat, and other body activities, so we need to stay hydrated. Water is important for our health and for the good functioning of the body, including the mouth. Did you know? Drinking water is essential for health and also to keep your smile perfect. Our saliva is made of 95% water, and the reason water is so essential for oral health. Also, did you know that saliva cleans the teeth and maintains the mouth pH? When our saliva production is lower than average, it might increase the chances of some oral diseases, such as cavities, periodontitis, and oral thrush. But if you don't drink enough water, what issues can appear? When you don't drink the ideal amount of water, you may have a dry mouth, troubles chewing, swallowing, and speaking, loss of taste, and oral diseases like cavities and gingivitis. Saliva also has an enzyme that aids in the digestion of certain foods, like the starchy ones, and a dry mouth hinders it. And if that wasn't enough, not drinking water may cause tooth decay. Did you know? Drinking water is essential for keeping your mouth ready to fight the things in it. Water helps with saliva production, which plays a role in neutralizing the acids that attack the tooth enamel and leave them more sensitive and decayed. Besides, a study published in the International Journal of Dental Hygiene also states that drinking water in the morning helps lessen bad breath. And according to this research, you can either drink water or just do a mouthwash to ensure that 60% of the harmful substances are eliminated. Isn't it incredible? Some people say that drinking water also helps whiten the teeth, since mineral water contains fluorine, but we haven't found any studies that prove it yet. In the past, we talked about the dangers of fluorine for health. If you want to learn more, watch the video being suggested to you right now. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Many things can help you drink more water throughout the day to ensure good oral health. We selected some suggestions to help you with that. As soon as you wake up, drink at least a glass of water to clean your body. During the day, take small sips of water whenever you can. Keep a water bottle with you and take it wherever you go. This way, you will always have water around, and it will be easier to get into the habit of drinking it. On average, adults need to drink half to 1 gallon of water per day. This will ensure the adequate functioning of your body. If water isn't your favorite beverage, try adding some mint leaves or lemon slices to make it more attractive. Or if you prefer, start drinking natural juices and teas, then slowly increase your consumption of water. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.